The realm of artificial intelligence has witnessed remarkable progress over the past few decades, but the question of whether AI will eventually surpass human intelligence remains an intriguing and contentious topic. As technology continues its rapid evolution, the prospect of AI outpacing human cognitive capabilities within the next 100 years presents a fascinating glimpse into the future. Artificial intelligence has made tremendous strides in diverse fields, from natural language processing to image recognition and autonomous vehicles. Machine learning algorithms, particularly deep learning models, have enabled computers to perform complex tasks with remarkable accuracy. However, these achievements are largely specialized and lack the comprehensive understanding that characterizes human intelligence. The trajectory of technological advancement is difficult to predict, but it's evident that the pace of innovation is accelerating. Moore's law, which says that the processing power of computers doubles approximately every 2 years, has held true for decades. This trend continues. It's plausible that computational capabilities could reach levels far beyond what we currently imagine, paving the way for AI systems to tackle increasingly complex problems. A significant challenge on the road to AI surpassing human intelligence is achieving general intelligence, the ability to understand, learn, and reason across a wide range of domains, much like humans do. Currently, AI systems excel in specific tasks but struggle to generalize their knowledge to unfamiliar situations. To surpass human intelligence, AI must not only possess vast stores of information, but also exhibit adaptability, creativity, and a deeper comprehension of context. One of the scenarios often discussed in AI circle is the notion of recursive self-improvement. These concepts suggest that once AI reaches a certain level of intelligence, it can enhance its own capabilities at an accelerating rate, leading to an exponential increase in intelligence. However, this path presents challenges such as avoiding potential risks and ensuring that AI systems' values align with human values. The journey toward AI surpassing human intelligence raises a plethora of ethical questions. Ensuring the responsible development and deployment of advanced AI systems is paramount. Safeguarding against unintended consequences and potential misuse is crucial to prevent any negative impact on society. The advent of superintelligent AI would have profound implications for society and the economy. While it could lead to groundbreaking advancements in fields like medicine, energy, and space exploration, it might also disrupt industries and change the nature of work. Striking a balance between innovation and societal stability will be a critical challenge. Predicting the exact timeline for AI surpassing human intelligence is fraught with uncertainty. Technological breakthroughs are notoriously difficult to forecast, and the complex nature of human cognition adds another layer of complexity. While some experts envision a scenario within the next 100 years, others argue that the challenges of replicating human-like intelligence might be more formidable and anticipated. The prospect of artificial intelligence surpassing human intelligence within the next century presents a captivating vision of what lies ahead in the world of technology. As we harness the power of AI to tackle ever more intricate problems, we must remain cognizant of ethical, social, and economic implications. While the timeline for this transformation remains uncertain, one thing is clear. The journey to achieving AI with human-level intelligence will continue to shape the way we view our relationship with technology and the future of humanity.